study guide question number 19. We're trying to sum up this geometric sum. So the thing is, we see that we are multiplying by, well, the 3 is staying the same, multiplying by 1, but then down here we're multiplying by 4. So it seems like our ratio is 1/4. Our first term is 3/5, so we can fill that in immediately. N equals 1. Our first term is 3/5. All right, we're multiplying by 3/4 each, or 1/4 each time, but also what's happening is the sign is changing. And if the sign is changing, that tells us we must be multiplying by -1/4. We have to put that whole thing in parentheses or else we're in trouble. Raise that to the n minus 1. Now, the reason we're multiplying by -1/4 again is 3/5 times -1/4 is going to be -3/20. And then we multiply by -1/4 again, that's going to make it positive. And then to multiply by -1/4 again, it's going to make it negative. So each time our sign is changing, so it has to be -1/4. And it's just a number of terms. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. So we're going to go to 6. All right. So then there's a nice formula for geometric series 2 that we proved one day. And now it doesn't really matter to prove it, but we just want to use it. It's going to be A1, which is 3/5, times 1 minus R, -1/4, to the 6th power, all over 1 minus -1/4, which is our R value again. Okay? So you need to plug this into a calculator. You know what? Let's just do it so you can see how to plug it in. This is how I would do it. I would say 1 minus, in parentheses, -1/4. We've got to make sure that's division, 1/4, raised to the 6th power. Okay, I'm going to hit enter. I'm going to multiply that by 3/5. Sorry, I'll make sure you can actually see this. Multiply that by 3/5, hit enter. And I'm going to divide that by 1 minus -1/4, which is also just 1.25 if you want to do it that way instead. Okay, and we get 0.48, which is wrong on the paper answer key. So the paper answer key is wrong. This should be equal to 0.48 if we round up. Okay, that's what our sum is equal to, 0.48. Okay, sweet.